It's a beautiful morning today. Got nice weather. The sea is calm. The view is amazing. We got the beach over here, and behind me, it's a jungle, baby. Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode with the Savage Dragon. So today we're gonna have an amazing picnic on the beach, baby. Look at this. I'm gonna try one of these Louisianian style Cajun seafood boil. I'm gonna show you guys what up. It's an American recipe from Louisiana. So I got 2 lobsters right here, still alive, shrimps, and some flower crabs. So I'm gonna use these for the broth. All right, so time to make a fire, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So the best way to humanely kill these lobsters before you cook them is to put them on ice. I will put them right to sleep and then you can cook them. I don't like to boil or cook my lobsters alive because it's a bit inhumane. So if you're gonna eat them, then least you can do is just give them, like, you know, a painless death. So this is the best way to do it. Put them on ice. So that will put them to sleep real quick and then you can cook them. So now we're just waiting for the wood to turn into charcoal, and we're waiting for the lobster to go to sleep. So while we are waiting, I'm gonna show you guys around the jungle and the beach we have here. Behind me, that's like the jungle, and under us here, that's like a small stream, creek, waterfall thingy. Alright, coconut, Cajun spice mix, corn, potatoes, onion. Alright, now we're gonna cook this up first. Set it, let it boil. Alright, so now we just set the corn and the potatoes aside, add in more water. Alright, lime. I'm going to squeeze in more lime. So now the crabs are done too. Alright, so now we're gonna open these lobsters up, cut them in half, like so. One down. Let's do the same thing for the other one. All right, now the best part. Lobster in. Look at that. All right, so now we're just gonna finish these lobsters right here. Alright, so now we're gonna make the sauce. Coriander seed, pepper, chili flakes, smoked paprika, and the Cajun spice. Alright, now just a big stick of unsalted butter. So now we're gonna put the sauce into the lobster shrimp broth right here. Put this back in. Slowly. Yeah. Alright, so now the food is ready. So we're gonna start eating. Today I'm here with my family, my mom and dad and my sister, so let's see what they think about the food. Alright, so now we are ready to eat.
Ôi rồi ôi, thơm ngon quá, nóng hổi này. Thử mẹ thử nữa. Ngon quá.
Đúng không?
Anh nếm thử nước sốt cho nào.
Béo mùi bơ, thơm của mùi tiêu, ngọt của vị
Gia vị Caribe. Ôi giời.
chết.
Ngon quá.
Ôi trời ơi, nó tươi.
Alright, so we'll wrap some of this bad boy. Love the head. Oh, it's fatty, yummy. All right, that's it for the video for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So now I'm just waiting for the boat to take us home. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Let's be savage together, baby.